Hi, let me quickly tell you about LifeSaver. This is our absolute hero product that will transform every kind of hair, giving it strength, gloss and bounce. This is healthcare for hair in a bottle. If you want hair that looks and feels like this versus like this, let me show you how. LifeSaver is a pre-wash treatment that is rich in our very expensive cashmere proteins. You apply it like this. It's packed with cashmere proteins that are almost identical to the molecular size and shape of human hair. That allows it to penetrate deeply into the hair shaft and restore and repair broken bonds. Your hair gets to retain more strength and more moisture. You leave on for a minimum of 45 minutes, and that could be while you spin, gym, swim, yoga, or even overnight. It dries clean and won't mess your pillow. You could even apply it before you go to your salon blow dry. So what are you going to see? Instantly your hair will feel thicker, smoother, healthier, with more swing and shine. Use LifeSaver at least twice a week. You can't overuse it. LifeSaver is going to change how you feel about your hair.